this is how it goes. You take this guy, you put it at about a 45-degree angle on one corner. And then you spin it. Now you have a small tip. Hey, welcome back. I got a little project today. My wife's been after me for months to fix this gap in our laminate flooring. It opens up and then you can squeeze it back together again, but eventually it just opens up again. So I got some adhesive. I'm gonna tear this thing apart and put it back together. Bevel, I don't know if you can see this. Let me get right in here close. You see this little lip right here. I'm gonna try and maybe shave that off, or at least clean it up as much as possible. Get any dirt and debris. Go slow. Everything in this world says do stuff as fast as possible, but fast isn't always best. Sometimes you put too much pressure on something and you slip, and the next thing you know, you got a big gouge. That's not going to help you down the road. Here I have a couple of pieces of laminate. It's not the same exact laminate that's in my kitchen, but it's very similar in the design. You can see this piece here. This piece here is one of the pieces that I'm cutting off, and you can see how it fits tongue and groove into this other piece here. Like so. This piece here, if I can get it up here for you, you can see it's got this little reveal here where it's got a little groove here, and this piece here has a little notch in it that fits right in there, so it slides in just like that. And these are the pieces that I'm cutting off. This piece along one edge and this piece along the other edge. This composite flooring, it's just plastic. That's what composite is, it's plastic. They use a fancy word, but it's plastic. There. Underneath there is this piece of foam padding. And I want to get that out of there too. Because I want to be down to the ground. Bare wood. There. So nothing can get in the way of the adhesive. When you look at the size of that, that is a big tube. It's the only tube I could find that I had. I didn't want to have to go buy something new. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this off. Woo! Alright, now there's a piece of foil that goes across here. We have to break the foil. Alright. Now, because that is such a big cut, we're going to take a piece of tape. This is just packaging tape. Take off about 3 inches. Alright, and this is how it goes. You take this guy, you put it at about a 45-degree angle on one corner. And then you spin it. Now you have a small tip. These two sides are just going to have to be there. Actually, I made a mistake. Back it up. Back it up. This one has to go here. And this one goes here. And this one will have to go right to the edge because it needs to slide. Light pressure is all it's needed. That one will slide. That one will slide. And this one can go here. Okay. Now we're better. Now we'll fill this thing up. I like a little squeeze out. All right. That's better. is good. Oh, look at what you did, Chucky. Did you see that? There. Perfect.